Turbolearn AI Review. Is it good for school? Well, Turbolearn AI is an AI-powered learning assistant that helps students digest content quickly. It lets you upload PDFs, lecture videos, audio recordings, or websites links. And then it auto-generates organized notes, detailed quizzes, flashcards, and offers an interactive chat to ask questions and clarify some ideas. It also offers a basic free tier, and they have three paid plans as well, starting at around $9 per month. So here's why it's a useful tool. It automates tedious note-taking and flashcard creations. They also offer interactive quizzes and scenario-based questions. They even have an AI chatbot with answers for your Q&A. They also support multiple formats including audio and PDFs. And they have an adaptive learning features and progress tracking. Although the downside is though, they may have some inaccuracies in advanced or technical subjects, and they have some interface usability concerns. But overall, TurboLearn AI is very legit and can be a helpful study assistant, especially for digesting lectures and building quizzes or flashcards. It is a solid tool for basic to intermediate academic content, especially when audio or video sources are involved. However, it's not a perfect replacement for deeper learning.